Hello guys, my name is Prizleen and I am a makeup artist. So my makeup look for today is red makeup look. So first we'll be using Smashbox primer. So rub, put some duct tape, put some concealer over your eyes and just dab. I have the Sephora palette which I got from Sephora, and this is one of the best palettes ever. So I'll be using some pink color from the palette. Just make sure that your blending is good and your brushes are also good and your color is visible. So blend it as much as you can, and your brushes should be good for blending. I got my brushes from Morphe, and Morphe is one of the best brushes. So my next color would be purple. Just put it on the edge of your eyes, and the next would be blue. Put it on the lid of your eyes. I never tried such color, but these colors are like amazing. Now this is a brush from Morphe. It's a fan brush and I just love it. Now put some glitter to your life. Now I'm putting this foundation base from Huda Beauty. You can get it from Nykaa or Dubai or any other, the official site of Huda Beauty. Now with the blender, just dab. Make sure that your blender was soaked in water. Now concealer. Put the concealer on the dark areas of your face. Mine is under eyes, on the edge of the nose, and on the tip of my lips. Now makeup is all about blending. So guys, just blend again. I love it. So this is Wonder Stick, and if you really want your face to be sharp and edgy, so one can go for contour. So I just love contouring myself. So yes, now these brushes are one of the best brushes which you will find that each and every makeup artist would be using. So these are Real Technique brushes which are orangish bronze in color, and you just have to smudge all this, basically the contouring. Now you can use any powder or any compact. I'm using compact from Chanel. Now on the apple of your cheeks, just put some blush, and now some highlighter to your to your face, over your cheeks. So over your cheeks, on your nose, on your forehead, on your lips. Now Bobbi Brown's gel liner is one of the best liners ever. It makes the stroke so perfect. Like, I am the fan of this liner. So just making it a wing. Now I have like collections of mascaras because I feel mascara is something which everybody should wear every day. Your eyes looks more expressive than with that. Now these are the lashes from Huda Beauty and I love them. Now I'm putting some eyeshadows under my eyes to make the eye look complete. So this is purple and now blue. I'm putting more of blue just to add more color and to, make the look more beautiful. And adding colors, making definition is like one of my best parts ever. Now again, I have this highlighter from Revolution, and I'm putting on the tip of my eyes, on the brow bone, just to give some more definition to my eyes, to my face. So this is the lipper from Huda Beauty. It's a red lipstick, and I was a bit confused with the nude or the red. Since my topic was red, I wanted to show a look with red, so I just did this, chose this red lip balm. So Prep and Prime MAC best spray ever, fixing spray, spray and dry. And guys, this is my final look. Just being a little dramatic. I know this looks really, I don't know. So this is my first video. I want your support and hope you guys like my video, support my video, follow me, and may your day be as flawless as your makeup. So you can follow me on Insta, YouTube. Hope you guys like it. Thank you.